Briefly describe your experience working with your CEO.
Working with our CEO, Dr. Rashid, has been truly both inspiring and empowering. So, actually, when I started with Speedy Comics, I truly had no idea. I really started from scratch. So, I really don't have anything experience about collectibles, anime, and whatsoever comic books. But working with Dr. Rashid, he really encourages me. Um, he helped me, and there's really a big part of me that really helped me on growing professionally.
My experience working with our CEO, Dr. Rashid, for about 6 months. He's been very kind and treats everyone with respect.
My experience working with Dr. Rashid so far has been fantastic and very smooth. The communication is great, and he's always making sure that he stays on top of all ongoing projects to make sure that we meet deadlines and that everything's done comfortably.
Why do you think your CEO deserves the title of CEO of the Year?
I think that our CEO deserves Title of the Year because he's a phenomenal person that's really pushed the bounds of what can be possible with a comic book store. Like, we started off as like a really small stall at Comic-Con, and slowly but surely we built up our own store around it, which I think is amazing. We've transitioned from comic books to Funko Pops to now TCG. We've really opened up our field, in this industry. And what we're really trying to do is create a community. Like, whether you're an anime fan, whether you're a comic book fan, like, we have something for everyone.
Our CEO deserves to be the title of the CEO of the Year because he's the first to create the first local grading here in UAE, and he always supports the community.
Well, I think Dr. Rashid, our CEO, deserves a title of being the CEO of the Year. Why? Because he's very passionate on what he is doing. It's not only about business. It's always about the community, the wider community, his people, and his passion to all of this.
I think Dr. Rashid deserves the title of CEO of the Year because he's very hardworking and he's always looking for the next big thing to present to the community and our customers, and always making sure somebody walks out of the store and all of the events that we put together with much more value than they came in for. And I think that's a very important quality in a leader.
I think our CEO, Dr. Rashid, deserves the title of CEO of the Year is because he cares about his employees and also works hard to grow the company.
Provide specific examples of how your CEO has demonstrated exceptional leadership within the company.
So our CEO has demonstrated exceptional leadership skills. I have to say, like, an example that comes to mind is PopCon. It's a convention, that we created as a group here at Speedy, and it's one of the first Middle Eastern Emirati-based Comic-Con events. On top of that, like, we already have PopCon, where we brought people like Chris Hemsworth and other Japanese voice actors as well, like the voice actor for Sanji in one of our smaller events. We also have a grading company now for trading cards called HIT, which is very exciting because I haven't seen any other Middle Eastern or Arab-based grading companies before HIT. So it's a big step for us, but we're very excited to go with it, especially with how big the TCG boom is right now. We're all really big fans here for Pokemon and One Piece, so it's really exciting for us.
I remember one time when we had the event, so he was telling me every time he's telling me that, Judy, when there's a problem, don't focus on the problem. Just focus on the solution. We will sit and brainstorm on how we will resolve the problem.
An example of Dr. Rashid showcasing exceptional leadership skills is that he never allows for a moment of stagnation in the operations of the company. And as I mentioned, he was always looking for the next big thing or something of value to the customers that they have not experienced before. In terms of all of the fields that the company covers, from the trading card games to the collectibles to the events, he's always planning and always looking for the next thing to achieve and the next thing to present to everybody.
Our CEO, Dr. Rashid, has demonstrated exceptional leadership within the company because he's been instrumental in expanding the company's presence and establishing new initiatives that align within the industry trends.
How does your CEO contribute to a positive work environment at the company?
So our CEO really contributes to a positive work environment. They always keep a very optimistic outlook. Whenever you're at Speedy, there's never a dull moment. It's a really fun environment to work in.
By showing care to us, to our team. So we don't just, do business here. We were like family. So whenever we have concern, he makes sure that we are feel and seen. We were heard by him. So and that's what motivates us working with him.
Our CEO, Dr. Rashid, definitely contributes to a positive work environment. He always checks in on our staff and makes sure that everybody is doing okay, and is always there to give advice or alleviate any pressure that we may be going through so that we can achieve all our goals and make sure that we meet deadlines as comfortably and smoothly as possible.
Our CEO, Dr. Rashid, contributes to a positive work environment at the company because he listens to us and encourages us, and we feel respected and valued as employees.
Describe a situation where your CEO provided you with support or mentorship.
Our CEO has provided me, especially with guidance towards the running live streams. I was very nervous at first, to be live on camera and have to sell products to so many people. If you guys don't know, one of the things we do is we go live on an application called Trophy, and over there we auction things off like comic books, trading cards. So I really benefited from that experience. He really pushed me, to go out of my comfort zone and do something I wouldn't normally do.
Our CEO, Dr. Rashid, provided me with support from the very beginning. So as I've mentioned earlier, I really started from scratch in this field, but he was very patient and supportive.
An instance in which our CEO, Dr. Rashid, has provided me with support and mentorship is when we were experiencing a very busy period of activations, and there were a lot of deliverables that needed to be made in a specific time period. He taught me how to manage time better and how to prioritize certain tasks and how to not stress or worry about certain things, and just to keep focused and get things done to the best of my ability.
One time I was having problems here at work, and he gave me advice and guidance when I needed it, and he was not pressuring me at all.
Share an anecdote that illustrates your CEO as a good person and leader.
Whenever we have a Japanese voice actor like Sanji, Hirata, was over here, he made sure that the staff all got signatures from him, which he didn't have to do, but I really appreciated that. I like how he always includes everyone, It's not I don't feel like I'm soloed or put off to the side. I feel like he genuinely includes everyone in the company.
For me, one thing that shows what kind of leader he is happened during one of our events. So whenever there is someone who shows any disrespect toward these people or to our team or to anybody, he will step in right away. Not aggressively, but firmly. So he makes it clear that we are safe, he protects us, and that we deserve respect. So it really means a lot that our leader will stand up for us. And that really means a lot.
When we had a big event over here at the Times Square Center, and we had a guest celebrity, he made sure that all the attendees at the event took their time and didn't have to rush when they were meeting the celebrity, and providing a more safe and comfortable and valuable experience for all our customers, and just showing that it's always about the community and his vision to bring people together. And I think that's a very important thing for a leader.
One time when a customer was being difficult, he stood by us to make sure that we were treated fairly, and I think that was a time I have proven to myself that he's a good person.